Go, Faye, go!
Hey!
Where's she going? Oh, she's hiding. Up, up, up. Is she coming back? There she comes! Oh, oh, oh. She's getting beat up.
Put the puppy in place. See what she does.
Bandit! Bandit!
Bandit!
Come on! Eating her. Oh dear. What are you guys doing? She's trying to hide under the thing. Oh, she's under it. Come here. It's dirty under there, Faye. Come here. Go that way.
Here, I'll hold the puppy in place.
No. Faye's like, no, I must hide.
Where's that ferret going, Bandit?
Hey! Where did you go? Quit getting dirty. Come here.
I want to see. Hello. My name is Faye.
She opened her mouth.
And I like to hang upside down.
Help!
And I want to test this puppy. Hold the puppy. That was the point. Here. You see the puppy?
She's like, no.
Faye.
Oh no, Faye, don't go back there, please.
Faye. Go here.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. No! No, Faye, bad, don't, no. There we go. You. Go that way. Tarr. Oh, no, you can't go back there. Bandit, you're so mean. Oh no, Faye loves it. Oh look, she's getting him. She's getting him. She's biting her tail. Oh gosh. Bandit, please don't hurt my baby. Okay, that's too hard. Get him, Faye. Get him. Get him. Come on, Faye, be dominant. She's like, no, help. She's like, run away, I don't like this. Let me go investigate the cat and get some water. And it's like, no, I must attack you. Come on. Oh. Run away.
Sorry.
There you go. Get him, Faye. Faye, find a corner. Faye. Exploring the shop. I'm gonna get this. What you gonna do? Oh, now what you gonna do? You can't get it. Faye. Oh, she's playing. She's like running back and forth from Bandit. Faye, we can't see you. She's playing with leaves. Faye, come here. There she is. Hey. We found her. Faye. Oh! She's been tackled. Oh! Poor Faye. Oh! Run, Faye, run! Run! Run away! Hey, be easy. Look, there she goes. Get him, Faye. Ah. Oh, don't pull her by her butt. That was mean. Okay. I think Faye's had enough. She's tired. Okay. Come on, Bandit. Hey, Bandit's so little. He's so cute.